Okay, so the last part of the chair assembly is just putting this cross brace on the back to add some stability. Um, Pretty straightforward, and I always mark at least one of these so that you can line it up with the mark on the chair. So I have A here and I have A there. Um, so we just kind of, it takes sometimes a little bit of work to get them lined up in their proper spot. But once they're there, you just put them in there like that, and you use the screws again and put them right in these pre-drilled holes, and then you'll have a nut on the back that you can tighten that down a little bit, and you have a complete chair. So I hope that works for you. If you have any questions at all, you can give me a call on my 800 number that's on our website. And good luck. I think you'll really enjoy these. They're very comfortable, very sturdy, and they will last for a long, long time. So thank you so much for your purchase.